Hi there and welcome to this video. My name is Anais. I'm the open source developer advocate at Acre Security. Now, one of our main open source projects is Trivy, an all-in-one cloud-native security scanner. Now, we are so close to hitting 20,000 stars on the Trivy GitHub repository. And this would definitely not have been possible without our amazing community. Everybody who contributed to the source code, to the documentation, helped other people in setting up Trivy, setting up their security scans in the GitHub discussions or on Slack. Thank you so much for making this happen. It's super exciting. Now, as part of this celebration of hitting 20,000 stars, well, soon, so if you haven't given us a star yet, go head over to the GitHub repository, give us a star. We would love to hear from the community, hear from everybody. What's your favorite part of Trivy? What's your favorite feature? What was your favorite Slack or GitHub discussion interaction? Maybe the feature request that you submitted for Trivy got actually implemented. Do let us know. The link to the GitHub discussion is somewhere here on Twitter or on the YouTube post in the description. Do let us know. On the GitHub discussion, what's your favorite part of Trivy? For a chance to win the DeLorean time travel machine. Well, the Lego set. Terms and conditions apply. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to say that. Anyway, it's super excited. We're so close to hitting 20,000 stars on GitHub.